I'm going to be showing you Kylie's new line today. It's her birthday line for when she turned 21. But before I show you that, I'm really excited because I also got Kris Jenner's line for when she took over her daughter's website. And then they came out with a bag. So I got this bag only because I say it all the time that I want to be the, excuse me, I'm like the FBI. So as soon as I saw this, I had to get it. So it says, this is a case for the FBI. Look at this cosmetic bag. I love it. And it's really big too, so you'll fit like a lot of stuff in it. So anyway, I actually got this a while ago and I just haven't had time to post it. Or do it, whatever you want to call it. So it comes in this cute little box, like always. So let's see what we got. So my favorite is all the packaging, like all the boxes it comes in. So this one says Hello 21, it's all glittery. This is her lip collection. I believe, let's see. Oh my God, they're minis. Like they fit right in your purse. They're the small ones. I love anything that's mini. So she has really cool colors in here. Probably gonna love the pink. If I can figure out how to get it out. So of course I'm not gonna keep all the boxes even though they're beautiful. But look how cute and little. So these are all the colors. Whoops. Oh, wait a minute, sorry. See all the pretty colors? Oh my God, I love it. So I have to wear one tonight actually. I don't know which color I should go with. Probably gonna pick the pink because it's still warm out. Okay, so that's one thing from the kit. Let's see. Well, these are cute. So these are her actual lip sticks, and they come in cute little boxes too. She did her hair blonde for this shoot. This one's like a deep brown. That'll be nice for the fall. Here's another one. This one's like a pink. It looks more pink in the camera. It's not as bright as that. You actually get a lot of lipstick. That's nice. Oh wait, let me show you this. I love this picture of her. This is kind of a pink too, but this one is lighter. I feel blind reading some of these. So the one pink that I showed you is called Glam. And then the brown, the dark brown I showed you is called, hold on, Rumor. And then the other pink I showed you is called, if I could only see that, but it looks like it says Flirtini. Another one. I love lipsticks. If some you don't like, you can always give them to a girlfriend or family. I'm like ripping open. It's hard to get them open. Oh, I like this color, so they made it in white. And this one is called Birthday Behavior. Let's see. Oh, I love it. It's a red. I love it. I love red. This one And if I was smart, it says it on the top of the box what the names are. Easier to read. August. This one is called August. It's like a peach. It's pretty. So, those are the lipsticks. And they come in all those pretty cases. Let's see what else we got. What's this? This says Eat Cake. And this is eyeshadow, but it's liquid eyeshadow. Look how pretty. It shows what it would look like on her. It's pretty cool. I love to smell things. Nah, it doesn't really have a smell. It's pretty. So that's liquid eyeshadow. Actually, I think we have one more lipstick. This purple one. I don't know, it kind of looks like a pink, but an orange maybe. That is called Rager. So, you get 6 lipsticks. And you get 6 minis. Some are gloss. I believe some are velvet. She makes all different kinds, so. This one's a velvet. Say No More Velvet. That's the one I think is my favorite. Sometimes the velvet is kind of like, I don't know, pasty. But it still looks cute. You can always add like a gloss to it. This one is Boy Bye. That's a velvet. So far 2 velvets. This one is a velvet rad. And Boss is a matte. Like I said, you can always put over like a lip gloss over them so it makes them shiny if you don't like them dull. This is Victoria. This is a matte. And this is called Queen, and this is a matte. So none of them are glosses. They're all either velvet or mattes. But then, let's see what else we have. Kind of skipped a little bit because I don't know what's what. So we did the one eyeshadow, well, the liquid eyeshadow. So I think we get 3 of them. The other one is called Fine Wine. It's pretty. See, it shows what it looks like on her again. Oh, it has like a purple tone, I guess, to it. Tone, tint, whatever you call it. And then this one is called Born to Sparkle. Wow, this one has definitely green in it. Which I'm sure when you put it on, it's not as dark as that. So for the liquid eyeshadow, you get 3. Let's see what this is. Now this is pretty cool. That's the case for the Birthday Lip Trio. So it's matte liquid lipstick, glitter gloss, which I love. I just love the gloss, and matte liquid lipstick. So 2 liquid or matte liquid lipsticks. It's like a tongue twister. So, this is pretty, this gloss. It's pretty for the fall. And then These are the two matte lip gloss. So see the difference, how cute this is? Look, let me show you. See the mini compared to the regular? So cute. It's raining. I'm tired. Oops, hold on. So, this is Kylie Jenner Matte Liquid Lipstick and Lip Liner. So you get the pair. Look how cool. Very pretty. And then I believe you get 3 of them. This one is Tipsy. And this is matte also. Do you want to get tipsy? So they're similar, but they're not the same. They're like, I don't know, maybe 2 shades off. Yeah, about 2 shades off. Cute. And one more. This one is Baddie. Who's a baddie? This is like an orange, I guess. Okay, let's see. Then we have Champagne Showers. This is pressed powder highlighter. And that's her eating her cupcake. I can get any of these out of their boxes. Who knows? Whoops. Don't mind me. I'll figure out how to open it up. Oh, that's pretty. Oh, it's a nice mirror too. Oh yeah, that's pretty. Has just a little shimmer to it. I don't know if you can really see it in there. See, it's sparkling on my hand. And then, and at the end, I'll take a picture of like everything that came in there. This is called Sipping Pretty, and this is all her pressed powder palette. So all her eyeshadows for this collection. I love how she has pink in all of them and sparkles. So pretty. I love like how she does the names. Like one is 21 plus, one says lit, pregame, birthday bitch, jungle juice, check ID, RSVP, hungover, blackout, party animal, pretty, close the tab, martini mama, vanilla on vanilla, sangria. That's my favorite, but it has to be white. Sex on the beach. Poor decisions, which we all make when we drink at times. And then I'm just obsessed with makeup bags, and this is hers for the collection. So that's it. Happy birthday, Kylie. You're finally 21. Woo-hoo.
Thank you for visiting the Fox's Den. Don't forget to like, comment, and share. It's how we communicate.